Hello friends, welcome to my channel Current Vacancy. My name is Divya Agarwal and today I have brought a new vacancy for you. Vacancy in IBPS. Yes, it is in a banking sector, but there is a vacancy in teaching and other sectors also. There is a vacancy in teaching sector in Hindi officer and the programmer. If you are in one of these want to apply, you can apply in this. Okay, when you come to this page, you have to type IBPS. You will come to this page and you have to click on this. You will come to this page. Now let's see. This is the whole page you can see. Now in the top you can see there is running of advertisement for various posts in IBPS. You have to click on. As you can see, we come to this page, Institute of Banking Personal Selection. Yes, it is not a government body, but it is an autonomous body. So as we can see, there are given you various vacancies for the post. First is professor, second is associate professor, third is assistant professor, fourth is faculty research associate, fifth is research associate, sixth is research associate technical, seventh is Hindi officer, eighth is analyst programmer window, ninth is analyst programmer Linux, 10th is IT administrator, 11th is programming assistant. Now let's see what is the qualification which you required for this post and what is the procedure of selection. First, there is given you procedure of selection. For the professor, associate professor and assistant professor, you will be go through the process of group exercises, then presentation exercise, then interview. For the faculty research associate, you will be conducted on the online exam. For the faculty research associate, you have to give online exam, then item writing exercise, then group exercise, and then interview. For Hindi officer also the same as research associate, and D is analyst programmer for Windows, Linux, IT administrator and programming assistant. Online exam, skill test and interview. And what is the last date of this? 30 June, and online examination will be held on 19 July. So you have very less time to prepare for this. Let's see what is the remuneration you will get for this post. For the professor, you will get basic pay is 1,59,000 till 2,32,755. And then as you can see in the research associate, you will get 44,000 to 900 till 67,000 to 521. You will get for the programmer from 35,000 to 54,000, and for the IT administrator you will get from 35,000 till 54,000. Now let's see eligibility area. What are the eligibility area? For the professor you need PG, UG and PhD. Associate professor also you need that, and for the assistant professor. For the research associate, you need only PhD with at least 55% marks. And let's see the field. It's a field in industrial psychology, organizational psychology, educational measurement, psychological measurement, and psychometrics and HR. In the research associate, you do not need PhD. You need only post-graduation in this field. And in the research associate, you also need MTech or ME from recognized university in this field, electrical or mechanical, civil or electronics and telecom. And if you don't have this, you should have MCA or postgraduate in computer science, or you should have 1 year experience. Okay, for the Hindi officer, you need only UG and PG. That means you should have master degree in Hindi or English as an elective subject. For the analyst programmer window, you need only graduation and MCA if you have done. For the analyst programmer, you also need same qualification. For the IT administrator, you need only B or BTech degree or in this program. For the programming assistant, you need BSc IT, BCA, BSc in computer science. Okay, what are the test structure? If you see online test which will be held for the associate researcher, Hindi officer and the programmer. The test will be conducted of two. First is aptitude and second is professional knowledge. It consists of 60 question and the second consists of 30 question, and the time duration you will get for first for the 90 minutes and second for the 30 minutes. And what will you get in the exam? This is given to you here in English. Same here in this. Reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English language, general awareness. These all you need to know. Cutoff score is given to you here. Job descriptions. That's it, you have to fill in this form. Okay, in the IBPS, there is another vacancy for the banker faculty in technical and Hindi officer on the contractual basis. There is given you education qualification for the banker faculty. You should have BTech or BA or AMIE as a full-time course from a recognized institute or university. For the Hindi officer, same, you need master degree. What is the job profile is given to you? Okay, it is only based on contractual basis and you will have to serve here maximum 3 years. And you will get the salary for the banker faculty is 75,000 per month and for the Hindi officer is 56,000. How to apply? And the last date is 30 June. So basically for both the vacancies you have last date 30 June. Fill it before the 30 June if you do not want to wait for longer. Yes, this is given you application format, how you have to fill it. This is given to you. Whole procedure is given here. If you like it, share it, comment it and subscribe it, and for more information like this press the bell icon. I will share more videos like this with you. Thank you.